Hello everyone, I'm joined here by Mr. Bhabani Chatterjee. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. So, sir, one of my first core questions to you would be regarding Agentic AI. In the current day and age, we see a lot of news coming out about Agentic AI going rogue and there being certain cybersecurity lapses when it comes to establishing an Agentic AI, an agent within your organization's main frame. So I want to understand from you what kind of cybersecurity lapses can we expect and how long would it be until we kind of have a good agentic AI?
See, it's a completely new concept that is still we are evolving. Okay, it's the evolutions that we are seeing in the market and the current industry. So if we talk about agentic AI, what is the lapses? So you have to understand how it works, how that architectures we are deploying, what is the model we are building, and definitely how secure it is. So when we understand this concept that how agentic AI we can deploy and what are the case studies, then based on that only we can think of that we can have a robust and scalable solution in the system. What we are seeing currently, it is people are okay. It is like what automation we have done earlier through RPA. Now we are deploying agents. It will be 1,000 agents, but one agent to other agent, how they are communicating. So all those things still it's a vulnerabilities we can see, and malicious software and how we are deploying. We're still seeing that we should look into that before we actually going to and deploy. So in current scenario, what I can say means what I am saying, personal opinion, that still we have to think of that how we can understand that how it works, how we can deploy, and how securely we can deploy. We can think of that how we can integrate with the zero trust. Can we integrate with that? So all those concepts is still we are evolving and we are doing a POC and get this thing deployed, irrespective of any industry or market.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And agentic AI is a technology that is still being developed.
Yes.
But along with that, there is a certain need to have a skill force of people available who will be able to not just develop it but maintain it on a day-to-day basis. So, what kind of training, what kind of approach would you like the younger future generation to approach when it comes to not just building but maintaining such infrastructure?
Absolutely. So first, as I mentioned, you have to understand how the technology work, how it is, we can create a more scalable thing from this agentic AI, how we can utilize that. Rather, it's create a issue for us, how we can put a guardrails of that this is that you have to adhere to, and then only we can deploy. So first, I can suggest that go through that agentic AI, how the model work. There are so many courses available in that, and many university, many other institution also, it's IIT, IIMs also, they are coming up many good courses that talk about how the agentic AI working, what are the pros and cons of that, how we can build a most scalable and secure solution from that. So if you go through that, understand that how the technology works and what is the architecture of what the workflow, then only they can, I'm sure that they can understand that how it can be integrated with the other new current industry, and we can deploy that.
Definitely, definitely. That was quite insightful, and I'm sure it would be very helpful for the younger audience who will look up to this advice. So, thank you so much,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.